If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for the algorithm. It makes a huge difference for tiny channels like this one. Alright everyone, it's cold and rainy here. It's the 1st of October, which puts me in the perfect mood for something warm and, dare I say, fuzzy. So grab your itchiest sweater and pull up a chair, because today we are looking at this Hendrix limited edition 70th anniversary fuzz face by MXR. Alright, we've got all the goodies that came with this pedal. Obviously we have the box. Inside that, Dunlop included this pedal catalog, which just kind of goes through all the pedals that they make. We also have the instruction manual for this particular pedal. It's just a single fold. And then finally, this nice little certificate of authenticity. This was pedal number 1636 of 2300, which makes this a unique little collectible if you're into kind of hard to find pedals or Jimi Hendrix stuff. This is about as simple of a fuzz as you can get. It's an authentic reproduction of the Dallas Arbiter fuzz face circuit inside of an MXR sized pedal enclosure. It's built using the BC108 silicon transistor and has custom graphics by John Van Hammersveld. Controls on this one are as simple as they come. 2 knobs, fuzz and volume. Fuzz controls the amount of fuzz, volume controls the amount of volume. According to the manual, the recommended settings are both of these all the way up and both of these almost all the way up. So I doubt we'll have any issues getting this dialed in today. Today we're playing a Fender Custom Shop Empire 67 Strat through a Victory V40 Deluxe. Please like and subscribe. Oh, would you like this video? If I sung a song, would you subscribe? Subscribe now. Ooh, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for the algorithm.